Hey, welcome back to Talk Angel. If you were with us yesterday, I'm really glad you came back.
And if this is your first time listening, don't worry. You can always go back and listen to part 1.
Yesterday, we started something important.
We began breaking down the difference between being and been.
And at the end of that episode, we promised you something.
Today, we complete it.
So take a small breath with us.
Because this is the continuation.
Yes, everyone, let's shift gears a little.
Yeah, you've learned the rules already.
You've heard the explanations.
Now it's time to feel the language.
This part is just listening.
No pressure.
Just relax and notice.
We'll read short, natural stories.
Then we'll ask questions.
And break everything down gently.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Okay.
I've been feeling really tired this week. Work has been overwhelming, and I haven't been sleeping well. My boss said I was being too quiet during meetings, but honestly, I've just been exhausted. I didn't even realize I was being distant with my coworkers. I guess I've been under more stress than I thought.
Okay, pause.
Don't rewind, just think.
Question 1. Has this tiredness been happening for a while or just today?
Question 2. When the boss said he was being too quiet, was that personality or behavior?
And question 3. Is the stress finished or still continuing?
Number 1. I've been feeling tired this week.
That's present perfect continuous.
It started earlier this week.
And continues until now.
Yes.
Number 2. My boss said I was being too quiet.
That's behavior.
Temporary.
Not his personality.
Yes.
Number 3. I've been under more stress.
The stress connects past to present.
Still continuing.
Notice something?
Been connects time.
Being describes behavior.
You're starting to hear it naturally now.
Okay, have you ever been to Italy? I've been there twice. The first time I was very shy because I didn't speak much Italian, but the second time I felt more confident. I've been studying the language for a year now, so I wasn't being as nervous.
Pause again.
Question 1. Is she still in Italy?
Question 2. Why do we say been in I've been there twice?
And question 3. What does being shy describe?
She's not in Italy now.
Right. Have been to means visited and returned.
Yes.
I've been there twice.
Life experience.
Past experience connected to now.
I was being very shy.
Temporary behavior during that trip.
Not permanent personality.
Good.
You're hearing the difference more clearly now, right?
Yes. Let's have a dialogue.
You've been acting different lately.
I know. I've been stressed.
Well, you're being really quiet.
I'm not trying to. I've just been thinking a lot.
Let's analyze this.
You've been acting, past to now.
You're being quiet. Temporary behavior right now.
I've been thinking, continuous action from past to now.
Hear the rhythm? Been.
Being.
They move differently.
Yes. Okay, let's talk about mistakes.
And first, mistakes are normal.
If you're trying, you'll make them.
That's growth.
Yes. Let's look at some mistakes.
I have being tired.
Nope.
After have, has, or had.
We use the past participle.
Been.
I have been tired.
Correct.
I am being busy.
That mixes systems.
You can say, I am busy.
Or I have been busy.
Different meanings.
Now versus over time.
Yes.
She has being rude.
After has, we use been.
She has been rude.
But if it's happening now?
She is being rude.
Big difference.
Yes.
I am being tired.
We don't usually use being with feelings.
Say, I am tired.
Or I have been tired.
Yes.
The food is been cooked.
No.
The food is being cooked, happening now.
The food has been cooked, finished.
Process versus result. Repeat after me. I have been learning English.
I have been learning English.
Good. Now repeat after me. You are being patient.
You are being patient.
Good. Next.
She has been working hard.
They are being careful.
Okay?
I've been learning English.
You're being patient.
She's been working hard.
They are being careful.
Good.
Can I say something personal?
Of course.
When I was learning another language, I mixed up grammar constantly.
Same.
And I felt embarrassed,
But speaking anyway changed everything.
even when it wasn't perfect.
Perfection isn't fluency.
Consistency is.
And today, you've been consistent.
He's using it again.
I can't stop.
But it's true.
You've been listening.
You've been practicing.
You're being patient.
That matters.
Yes.
All right. If you're still here with us,
That already tells us something.
you've been committed.
And you're being very dedicated right now.
We really can't stop using these words.
It's practice.
Okay, let's go a little deeper.
Not scary deep.
Just confident deep.
You might hear this phrase, being that this is your first warning.
Pause there.
This is common in speech, English.
But in formal writing, some teachers prefer,
Given that this is your first warning.
or since this is your first warning.
So is being that wrong?
Not exactly.
It's just informal.
You might hear, being that it was raining, we stayed inside.
But in formal English, it's safer to say, since it was raining.
So remember,
Being that, informal.
since or given that, more formal.
Okay?
Now this part is beautiful.
Yeah, this isn't just grammar anymore.
Think about phrases like human being,
State of being.
being present.
Being yourself.
Here, being is about existence.
Identity.
For example, just focus on being happy.
That's not behavior for one moment.
It's a state of existence.
Or the beauty of being alive.
I love that one.
That's not grammar.
That's life.
This one is very important.
Listen carefully.
She has gone to London.
Meaning she is still there.
Okay?
She has been to London.
Meaning she visited and came back.
Let's say it clearly.
Has gone means still there.
Has been means visited and returned.
Example, where's Sarah?
She's gone to the store.
So she hasn't come back yet.
Now another question. Has she ever been to Japan?
That means at any time in her life.
That difference is very natural in English.
And now you understand it.
Let's look at some everyday phrases.
Been there, done that.
Meaning, I've already experienced it.
Example, I tried starting a business without planning.
Yeah, been there, done that.
Being honest, this softens what you say.
Being honest, I was nervous.
Stop being dramatic.
Temporary behavior.
Not personality.
He's been through a lot.
Important phrase.
Yes.
Been through means experienced difficulty.
He's been through a lot this year.
Notice the pattern again?
Been, life experience.
Being, behavior or process.
It keeps repeating.
Exactly.
Before we close, I want to talk to you for a moment.
Yeah, just you and us.
Grammar can feel intimidating.
Small words can feel powerful.
Maybe you've been doubting yourself.
Maybe you've been thinking,
I am being tired.
and someone corrects you.
Now you know.
Now you grow.
That's progress.
Fluency isn't about never making mistakes.
It's about communicating anyway.
Even if you say, I have being tired.
And someone corrects you.
Now you know.
Now you grow.
Confidence doesn't come from knowing everything.
It comes from continuing.
You've been continuing.
You're being brave.
And that's powerful.
Let's review.
Slowly.
Simple and clear.
Being.
ing form of be.
Used for behavior.
Used in continuous passive.
Used after prepositions.
Examples: you are being loud.
Thank you for being honest.
He is being watched.
Correct.
Been.
Past participle of be.
Used with have, has, or had.
Connects past to present.
Examples: I have been tired.
She has been working.
Have you been to Italy?
Simple reminder.
Have been.
Have been.
Am, is, or are sometimes being.
Take a deep breath.
You understand this now,
Maybe not perfectly.
but clearly.
And clarity is powerful.
Exactly. Thank you for spending this time with us.
We know life is busy.
And the fact that you've been here
Listening and learning.
means so much.
Keep practicing.
Listen again if you need to.
Say the sentences out loud.
Let your mouth get comfortable with the rhythm.
Remember,
You don't need perfect English to speak.
you just need courage.
And you're already being courageous.
We'll see you in the next episode of
Talk Angel.
Keep Learning, Keep Growing, Keep Being You.
And remember, you've been doing better than you think.